Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the currency pairs as well as commodities, gold, silver and crude, Bitcoin, US 30. So before we get into this week analysis, this is my disclaimer. So read carefully each and every line. And finally, I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So this is our watch list. Regularly what we are analyzing the pairs for every week. So starts from DXY. So DXY I have explained the last week positional view. So now we will get into that only the 4-hour chart. So my labelings is I have changed that previous one and I have updated in my trading view as well as in Facebook. So this could be a W, X, A, B and C. But if we label like this, no need to break this low, right? So it's already broken. So simply how I'm labeling and we have to label S, this whole thing becomes a A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the C way contains a 5-way structure and this is in the wedge formation and overlapping. It will happen only in that final trend of the correction, or it could be an impulsive if it is a bullish trend. So we are in the downtrend. So it happened only in that final waves. That is in Y or it's in a C or fifth wave. So how in previous I marked this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if it is a, the whole thing becomes a A. So this is a B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to update today or tomorrow, that labelings will be changed. So that is why I have mentioned lot of times, it all depends upon that according to the price actions forming here and the wave formations forming here. See the DXY, it's already did and it's already broken the previous low, but in Euro USD it's not yet broken the low, sorry, not yet broken the high here. So how we have to labeling this is the same thing what we have already did, WX ABC. So once if it broken this high, so we have to change this as AB 1 2 3 4 5. And if you look in the daily chart, just hide all those things, it will be A B 1 2 3 4 and if it break the high, this high, so that will be a 5-way structure and this whole thing becomes a C, becomes a wedge formation and overlapping 1 2 3 4 5. Otherwise what we have did is WX ABC and this is from, if it is comes to the accuracy to the downside, so what we did is a perfect. Otherwise we need to change like DXY here. So now it's AB 1 2 3 4 5 is completed, and here also it's in 1 hour I already saw that it's a 1 2 3 4 and 5. It's looking like the 5-way structure here, but sometimes it looks like A B 1 2 3 4 5. So we can calculate like this, and what I said is in the EU it didn't broke the high, so there is a lot of chances for making one more 5 ways to the downside and it will hit all the stop loss and it may bounce. So how we have to calculate this is 1 2 3 4 is an irregular flat formation and the 5th is already ended if it breaks the one more high, sorry, one more low, this one, and then from here it will bounce. So like USD CAD, I already showed that here, whether it is 1 2 3 4 and I need a 5-way structure, sometimes it looks like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So the 5th base got extended in that case if it didn't break this low. Otherwise if it's break this low in the 5-way structure what I have expected here, that will become 3rd, so 4th will be a running flat So fifth it has to be L. Otherwise A, B, C, D and one more E. So it could be a triangle. So that will become the fourth wave. And one more fifth wave is still there. So these are all the keep on graining, and then it will confuses all the traders. If you put the stop loss here, okay, everybody will look, okay, the stop loss didn't hit, so it will shoot like this, and after that the triangle, and it will shoot to the downside. So everything is possible. Just only thing we need to know that wave formation, whether if it is in three-way structure, be careful in that. If it is a five-way structure, we are sure. See, but still what I'm saying, 1, 2, 3, 4 could be a triangle, and fifth way means that is the end of the trend. The 5 ways is going to complete. So in that category, all 5 ways is going to complete means this is the end of the trend, and we are in that bullish. We may expect that bullish trend. At least the three, if it is a fresh 5 waves, at least we may get at least 50% in this around in three-way structure. So like that in DXY, it's already dead. But even though if EU is not yet broken the high, so there is a lot of chances for making one more low in this. So in the category 1, 2, 3, running flat is a fourth, and fifth could be one more low is also possible. So next, Euro USD, same what I said. From here, it has to come to the downside, and it remains same. This is the invalidation point for my previous, and I already updated this one. One second. Yeah, this is the one. It contains of 3 possibilities, and I have explained, right? From here, and I bias on this. One second. It's not this. Here. So this is the one, the 3 possibilities. So what we are doing is that this is the A. So B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 I am expecting. You just click the play button. It's exactly did the third. So still we are in that fourth wave, or it's already ended in the WX A, B, C. So we can calculate here in the lot of possibilities. So mind that the Euro USD, I am expecting to the downside. Maybe one more high is also possible, but not to break this invalidation point of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next GBP USD. So GBP USD also I have updated that previous one. Before that itself, it's did a one more new high. I already shared that. Yeah, this is the one. The last week I said whether this could be a W or this could be a W. This is not that thing. We need to concentrate. The thing is 1, 2, 3. So all the times how that running flat will happen in that fourth wave, it will always confuse us. So this could be a fourth, and one more high is also possible. So what I did is completed or in the form of irregular flat like the crude. So the same pattern happened in the crude also. That is why I have explained here. So if it comes above the high 1.4225, I will be in again the sell side, because last week what I said is from here it has a lot of chances to come to the downside, and it looks like a 5-way structure here. I will explain here. It looks like a 5-way structure, so I place a stop loss here at a 4170 and hit my stop loss, and it came. So whether it's not looking like a 5-way structure for me, so I got an immediately that plan. Immediately I already shared my view. So only if it comes to that zone, need to sell. Exactly, I picked the top. Now I am in the sell side. As of now, it's around 60 pips or around 80 pips, I think so. Yeah, it's it's 85 pips as of now so far. So just we no need to stick to our plan. We need to keep on changing that views according to the phase action, the wave formation. So here no need to confuse here. So everything what I need to tell you is it's A, B, C is a A. So A, B, C is a B. C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can calculate like this also. I will show you in the screenshot. See, lot of possible lists, but only the thing is pattern you need to understand. Not the count. Only the pattern you need. See, this one, it's here. So we can do like this also, and this also. So I will explain you here whether this is a B, C is a. So A, B, C is a B. So this is a flat correction. This is a, this is a B. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I said this is looking like a 5-way structure, but it could be a 3-way structure also. So this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. So we need to label in any kind of formations. That is not that much important. The only thing is we need to identify the pattern in the Elliott waves. That's it. And if you draw like this, ABC is a 1, 2, 3. So this could be a 4, and the 5-way structure is the 5. So 1, 2, here is a 1, here is a 2, here is a 3. So 4 is in running flat, and 5th is already did in the 5-way structure. So this is also valid count. So that is why I am explaining, but a lot of students for coming to my class is only concentration only in the labelings. But I have already said to them and I explained them. So we need to concentrate only in the pattern forming. So for example, I will show you the crude oil. From here itself, I am not so satisfied with here. So I already presented my view, the crude. Once again, be patient. Just see. Once again. From here, what I explained, whether this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or one more high, same like what we did in the GBP USD. So one more high is also possible. Need to break this. Perfectly did, right? Exactly. See, the fourth wave came down. It's not a wedge, it's a channel now. And exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the high is exactly the 66.99. The high made. So why I am showing all those things is it's my hard work. It's not only magical, and it's not a holy grail, and it's not a crystal ball. How deep you are going in your strategy. See, my strategy, I went deep in Elliott waves, nothing else. So like that, see, in previous I did this as a wedge formation, right? Now it's a channel, and I have already explained that in my education series of part 10. You just go through that. The wedge will be next, it will be a channel also, that is also still valid. So A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So now it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here also 1, here it's a 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exactly, it already broke this high, and that is valid. And see how aggressive it's fall. And from here also I have explained that. See, I'm not showing here that signal. I'm not a signal provider. I'm just explaining each and every part of the wave formations. So just to listen to my videos until from 0 seconds to up to till the end. You will learn. There is no shortcut to learn fast. How deep you are going in my videos, not only in my videos, you can go through your Elliott wave theory also. you can learn and you will see the find that haha moment. It's not anything, it's not magic, it's all depends upon your hard work and the screen time. That is why I keep on saying from the last week, from starting itself, my ambition is to create an awareness in the learning. This is not this financial market is not simple. The one day you will not be a rich in one night. It's keep on doing, and you can build the confidence in you, the self confidence, then only you can earn more. So it will took time. For engineering, for the doctors, all giving that 5 years 4 years only for the studying, after that practicing. So nearly after the 10 years in their profession, there are the king. Like that, still I just passed nearly 5 years 6 years from the 2014 I start to learn. So 6 years when I have a confidence now, but not that much 100% confidence. Still I am learning, right? So keep on doing mentoring to everybody. I built my confidence. So let's move on to that GBP USD. So I'm in short here, and yesterday night I placed the stop losses above that bar, because I'm not doing the GBP USD regularly, but it looks very promisable trade setup for me. So I did that trade, and I already did here and hit the stop loss, and I doubled my lot size here. What I did here, I doubled my lot size here, place a stop loss of here in this zone. So far it's not yet broken, right? So now I have a confidence. So I place a stop loss here. If it hits also, I just keep on looking for this. If it is trying to hit this, just we need to watch the wave formation here. Once if it breaks this high also. So what else? Next is Australian dollar. And in gold also, I will show you that it's an excellent trade setup. I got that. So let's see. First Australian dollar. So I have explained that also previous. So as of now, here it looks like whether this is a 5-way structure or looks like a 3-way structure. See, sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th way is got extended, and this is the 1, this is the 2, the whole thing is a 3, so 4 and 5. It looks like a 5-way structure also. So I'm not sure about this. And here also it's a B and C is got completed, and here also it's looking like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the 5 means this is the third way is 3-way structure is got completed, and 5 ways is a fresh 5 ways is here, and here is a 1, 2, 3, and it's aggressive fall to the downside. So this is the 5-way structure and this is the 3-way structure. If you want, you can make a stop loss of here. It looks like a whatever it is, it's either A or 1. So this could be a B or 2. So this could be a third wave intermediate wave structure. It can form here in this. So I marked this as a ABC as a 1 because we are on the downtrend for me, and I have explained that in the last week video. So you just go through for that, and whether it could be a W or 1, and this could be a X or 2. So I'm expecting the Y or third way to the downside. So it will keep building, and there is no higher high is formed here. It's keep on this is an aggressive move. So if it breaks this, it could be a head and shoulder pattern for the shorter time. This is a left shoulder head, and this is the forming of the right shoulder. After the once it broke this shoulder, this one neckline, sorry, this is a neckline. So this wave length here to here. So that is the target for here if it is a pattern trading. So but I am looking for to break this, and it could be reach this 7250. So let's move on to that New Zealand dollar. So New Zealand dollar also it declining in that same channel what I have showed, and it's keep graining. So whether this could be an ABC, and I have explained that also in the previous. So far as of now that same it looks like Australian dollar aggressive fall, and we are in the downtrend. So here also it's a 5-way structure, and again the 3-way structure, and started off the 5 ways to the downside, I think so. So we can make the stop loss of here for the shorter term trend, and you have to write this pattern to the target nearly 6.5. This wavelength, yeah, it's nearly 6.7, but here it's also a support zone, but I am looking for to this 6.5, this zone, and then it will become a bigger head and shoulder. So let's move on to USD CAD. So USD CAD I already explained that the 1 2, so we are in that I will show you that weekly chart. So ABC is a ABC is a B, so this is a flat correction. So C is going on in 5-way structure. So 1 2, so 3 is completed here, and 4, and we are in that 5th way. So the 5th way is got completed or not, just we need to watch here, because I have explained that whether 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed here in this zone. 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 second. Previous 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 4, and the 5th way is got completed, means already broken the low also. So whether this is the 3rd, so this is the 4th, and 5th is already completed or not, or it could be still ahead. So that is why I have explained that here, right? So it looks like sometime here 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5 here. So let's hope whether it is still there in the triangle formation what I have explained. So if it is there, whether, because I am not so satisfied with this move here, whether it is a 3rd wave extended, sorry, the 5th wave is extended, or is whether the 3-way structure is already completed, means this A B C D and E is around 1 to 1, and then what I explained that while the dxy, so this could be a triangle. After that it may fall in a 5-way structure, so it could be around 1.925 is also the achievable target, but I have already placed that one lot at 1 point, not one lot, it's a one positions at 1.1960 I have already placed here. Let's move. We can watch that in this week, and then USD CHF, same thing. It's everything. It looks like a wedge formation here. So once it broke the wedge, you can be in a buy side. Until this is the stop loss. There is no change here. And USD JPY. Sorry. And one thing I need to show you here, and I have explained that this is a 1 2 3 4 5, or this is a 1 1 1 2, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5, and we are in the 4th way. Sometimes it looks like here the 5-way structure, and again what I explained that last week, from here it can bounce, and that could be A, B and C. So whether this is the 1, this could be a 2, or if this is the end of the 4th way, this could be a 5th way, but it's not looking like for me. It's a 5 ways ended here. It looks like that. So this is the wave 1, and this could be a wave 2 also, or it could be again doing one more low is also possible. So now I am expecting why it's graining here in this zone. So just I need to show you that in that daily chart, right? So the screenshot, no need, I will. So please, because for that education series I worked here for the worksheets, so I have explained that. So just what you have to do is clone this channel, the trend line you placed here, connecting to this high. This is the intermediate, and it's already right. It's continued to the high here. So what is the magic here? So still we are not able to break this. So it's graining, keep graining that, and it's not making higher high and it's not making a lower low. So whether it will break or it can be like this. So in that category, this is the A, B, C, and it's already completed because it's a three-way structure and it's already broken the high. So in that case, we can expect this. Otherwise, it will keep shooting from here. So that could be, this is the A or 1 and this is the B or 2. And we are expecting for the C or third wave for the higher, and I'm expecting if it breaks the high, this high, so that is also valid for the first target for my target of 111.75, but it's not yet broken and it's already the 5 days is completed here means. So whether this is a or 1, or this could be a uh, that rejecting, it's already rejected, this wave could be a 2 or a B, or still we are in that second or B wave. So in that case, whether why I'm making this as a means, whether this could be, I have explained this also, right? Whether this could be, it looks like sometime 1 2 3 4 5, and sometimes it looks like ABC is a B and C. So in that case, ABC is a and ABC is a B and C means this could be a W. So in that category, this is a W and this is the X, it's not a B and A. So after the B wave, we expect the bullish trend, and this is correlated with that stocks as well as gold. So if you look concentrated in the gold, the movement, or if you concentrated in this USD JPY, any one of them, you will get an idea so which way is going to go. So next is AUD JPY. So the same plan, nothing else, it's keep on coming to the downside. So as I said, this could be A, B, and C contains a 5-way structure here. So this could be an what I said is here W, X, Y is completed. Now we are on the X wave. I said this as a X wave. So again A, B, and C means the target is around 87 or 87.5. But the X couldn't be like this kind of little. It will be like this. So I have explained that. So whether this could be an extended flat or it could be a running flat. So once the X wave is completed, I'm expecting ABC. So nearly 500 to 600 pips is there ahead here. It's not a 500, 600, more than that. From here it is 600. If it is in extended flat, it could be a more. So what we have to do is in 1 hour, 1 second. Yeah, this ABC is a ABC is a B, ABC is a W. So now we can expect like this, and after that one more way to the downside. So making a running flat, or it could be extended like a Z wave as a expanded flat, and then again it can show. But what I'm trying to say here is you need to watch the wave formation and you have to enter in that trade. Don't enter in that for that. See, I'm a swing trader, so if you are able to catch this kind of small waves, you can do that, but I'm looking for this kind of sorry. So nearly if it comes to this zone 83.25, I will be in buy side, and 83.25 zone, and one more thing is 81.7, 81 point like that. So within this zone only I will be in buy side, not here, because it's already did a b c as an irregular flat formation. So now I'm looking only for the another three ways to the downside. So the three ways is not yet completed. That it won't be like this kind of small three ways. So I need a 4-hour or one daily three-way structures as a bigger three-way structure. So as of now, it's only that one three-way structure is completed and one more three-way structures to the upper side, and again one more three-way structures to the downside. So nearly it will be took up to the June, I think so, June 20th. It will took more time to consolidate here. How it happens here, right? So like this I'm expecting here. So next is CAD JPY. So CAD JPY I booked the profit here at 70. So I already shorted at 55 or 60 something, and I have explained that also in the last week, and it's looking like a three-way structure. That is why I have booked the profit. Once it going to the aggressive, so I thought okay, it will go, but again it bounced back. So from here itself, from in this candle, I booked my profit. Nearly it's around 70 pips I got, and still now I'm looking for that short, but not here. First I need to watch the wave formation, and it has to be completed, that wave structure. Why here in the previous I said I don't have any place a stop loss because it could be an irregular flat formation, and then again one more high is also possible like this. So I'm looking for now nearly for 91.5 zone now. So whether it is in a triangle or it could be an irregular flat formation, as I said, I shorted here and that day, and what I said, it could be again if it is sorry sorry yeah, once again if it is coming going to the upper side also, it could make a irregular flat, and then one more high is also possible. Whether if this is the 1 2 3 is ended here and fourth may be a triangle, or if it is irregular flat formation, so it did that same thing. So we need to watch here, and then only we need to enter in the short. So until that I won't short here now, as of now, because the wave formation is not satisfied for me. Because if it is in a positional trader, I already opened that short in silver and gold. That is why I exited my position here, and I will concentrate only in those two, because I already booked the one profit at a 27.4 one position in silver, and gold I'm just still holding all those short. So I need to exit here, and I will concentrate on this gold and silver, as well as UCAD I already placed the store, and Euro New Zealand I had a positions, and AU NU, so everything, and UCHF is also having, UJ is also having. So until that, that is why I'm not entered here. I already entered and booked the profit. So I need to keep watching this. If I have more confidence, I will be enter in the any time. But this is the pattern what I'm expecting. So one more high is also possible for 91.3 or 91.5. Some little bit exertions will be there like gold, and then again I'm expecting to the downside. So New Zealand CAD. So New Zealand called CAD also. What I thought is 1 2 3 4 5, but and I expecting the third way to that 8920. I have explained that also, expecting a bounce to 8920. So now it's A, B, and C is confirmed. So one more low is also possible, little bit at 8620 like that. And one thing, if you keep that fib expansions perfectly, this it's coming in that 786 zone. So you say AB is equal to CD pattern. So if it is a flat correction, because why I am looking for the flat correction means I do keep this as an expanded flat for WX. So I add some water because of the cough. So this is the W, so X, so Y could be another WXY also, or it could be A, B. So here I expected the three-way structure, whether it could be an expanded flat, means it could be a B, and then C as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is wave structure, but still it is coming to the lower side, and this is in 1272. So whether it is in that formation of irregular flat or this is a five-way structure, we need to find out this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E, and 5. So it looks like that for me. Here one triangle in the intermediate wave and another triangle in this bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether this is the A, B, C. So this is the full A, B, and C, means again we can expect one more three-way structures to the upper side. So once that CAD, it's going to be a weaker currency, so this could be a little bit, can go higher because of the flat correction, the connecting wave. Once again, yeah, this A, B, and C. So again one more A, B, C. So this could be a W, this could be a X, and again one more A, B, and C. So this is my trade plan. So I need to watch to enter the trade, but not here. Otherwise what it will do is, this is the A, B means C is a 1, and it can reject it from this zone itself, 61.8 or 50 approximately in this zone. So in that case, this is A, B, C is a wave 1 and C is a wave 2. So we need to enter the partially here in the cell. If it bounces in the three-way structure, you can enter here, same zone what I have mentioned, that 8920. After that you have to don't place the stop loss here, because if it is a bigger structure of WX, you need to look for the positional trade setup to break that 8015, you need to place the stop loss here. So it depends upon your risk and reward. So if you enter here, it's a 89 approximately, so you need to place a stop loss of nearly 450, yeah, 450 pips stop loss, yeah, 450 pips stop loss for the target, nearly 800. So it's nearly 1.17 risk reward. So if you want to no need to keep the stop loss like this, you just go through this as a stop loss, and if it hit, means you just keep on watching that, and then you can enter here, and then again you can make a stop loss here. So like that you can do. So what else is next? NCAD and Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand also still, it's in the lower, and it's a lot of messy and overlapping. So still there is no change here. It's a WX. So I'm looking for that Y to this zone, the previous resistance zone. So here it can be a complex corrections also. Sometimes it could do like this, and then again it can go like this. So this ABC and this X could be a complex correction also. It's already broken the high. So whether it's a B, and C, the WX, A, B, C. So whether this is the X, means we are in that upper trend. So in any conditions, I'm looking only for that bullish scenario. But it's a little bit, again there will be a rejection. So at 1.67, again if it comes here, you can make the stop loss again same, and you can add here for the target of nearly 1.73 or 74 in this zone. So this is my plan in Euro New Zealand. So next is US 30. So US 30 is no change as of now, the same plan, and last week it already reached that 33.29. and I have expected at 33.33, so 33,300. So now it looks like aggressive move, and this is also looks like an aggressive move to the downside. So whether this is a end of A, or this is the impulsive wave 1, and this is an irregular flat formation, or this is the end of this impulsive, and it looks like in 1 hour it looks like a aggressive to the downside. So whether this is the end of that A or 1, so this could be a B or 2, and here it looks like again the three-way structures only, and here it's some way it looks like a 5-way structure, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So now A, B and C, I am looking to reach this zone, and again it may bounce. So whether this is a B, C, 1 2 3 4 and 5, so that it will be like that also here, and one more 5 so 1 2 3 4 5. So this becomes A, B, C, and again it will be it can get rejected. Or if it is a 5-way structure is going above this high, so that is also valid in the irregular running flat like that. So this could be again a A. So B can go above the A wave also. So A, B, C, D and E. So once the E wave is ended, it can shoot to the upper side also. So the plan is same. It is in consolidation zone as of now. So otherwise, if the fourth wave is ended here, and this is the wave 1 means this is the wave 2, these are all the intermediate waves, and it will keep shooting to the higher side is also possible here. And what else? It's a Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, once again. If you understand that Bitcoin, as I said in the last week video, what I said, whether this could be a so this could be a here is a W, X, so A. So this could be an irregular flat. So this is a B and C. So from here it has to shoot, and again if it goes above the 65, you need to buy, and it's already declined from here. I expected. So this is the ABC is got completed. So what I expected from here, it has to move to the upper side to the 74,000, right? So, and that also what I said, if it breaks only you need to buy, but again we may get rejected at the 55,000. We have to make the stop loss of 45,000, and that is a 1:1 risk reward, and I won't trade this here. As I said, same thing. You just go through that, and 1:1 risk reward, we no need to trade, because entering in the 55,000, and again we have to make a stop loss of 45,000, and again expecting that same. If we are expecting at a 55,000, it's a nearly 60. If it goes above the 65,000, so the 65,000 to 75,000 is only 10,000. But if it comes to that 55,000, we have to place a stop loss at 45, and that is a 1:2 risk reward. But the structure is not yet completed, allowed to complete that. Exactly what I said, right? And this could be, if it is an expanded flat, this is the A. So this could be a B, means that could be expanded flat, but expanded flat, it's already almost the starting of the A. So I think, and I have already mentioned that here, the wave Z could ended in the high it made, we are in the downtrend too. So in that case, if it is a Z wave, here is the end of that trend, we are in the downtrend. So that is an alternative view, and I have explained. So in this situation, I said, right, only if it cross above the 65,000, we need to enter the trade, and only in that 3-way structures to the downside we need to enter. Unnecessarily we don't need to enter, because it's your money and it's our money. We don't need to take a more risk for the 1:1 risk reward, and it's already gone above that 65,000. So how long it will go, we can't say, right? And this is, it's looking like a wedge formation, right? It's looking here, it's a wedge formation. So that could be an end of the third wave, or it could be end of the trend also. And I have explained here also, in the C wave only, after the triangle breakout, it will shoot like this. This is not looking like a third wave structure. And I have explained that last week also, the intermediate wave also. everything it's looking like a three-way structure. So I took it this as a B, and C means 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth way is got extended. So A, B, C is a W, X. So this could be a Y, and I said this could be a X in the running flat formation, and the A, B, C is a Z is completed. So only in this kind of pattern, and you have to think not a twice and thrice. 10 times you have to think before enter the trade. It's not just to enter in the trade blindly. And I having the target of 75,000, so you just enter. It's not like that. First you have to watch the wave formation, and here and I will explain here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have placed this as a sorry, and this is the B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is completed here. What I thought like that only. So from here I thought it could be bounced to the 55,000 almost here. And if it comes here in the three-way structure, we can short with the stop loss of this for the target below this. You just go through all those my videos, and I have explained that same thing. And I have explained in that one of my forum. It could be, if it is reaching to the 65, it's a 55,000. It may, but expecting this 55,000, no one need to enter this trade. That is what I am keep on saying. Whether once the trend is in sell trend, you need to look only for that sell, not for the buy. Expecting that bounce, no need to be in buy side. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what did happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth way is extended. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's got extended, right? So this is also valid. And here, what is this? That C wave target 1618. So whether still now, whether this is a wave 1, wave 2, so wave 3 is completed. So whether we are in the fourth, still now I am expecting like this, right? Once the three-way structure is got completed, everybody 1, 2, 3, but we are in the correction means I will place this as a B, and C. I am looking for the W and X to the continuation for the downtrend. But that is not a fault, right? That is not a mistake. But 1, 2, 3, expecting the fourth wave, if you keep the stop loss here and enter here only for the fifth wave, if it didn't come, if it didn't make, what you will do? You will hit this. It will hit the stop loss, right? So the fifth wave, anyway, the fifth wave target will be very less. So I will trade only up to 3 waves, only the third wave or C wave. If you find this, so no need to enter that. Just allow, right? If you allowed that fourth way and fifth way to complete, it won't go in straight line, right? And one more three-way structure has to happen. So then we can enter the trade. How we have did in the crude, GBP USD. Now I will explain the gold. It's a beautiful trade. In silver, everything, right? So let's move on to that. So gold, and I have explained this. If it declines and not broke the high 1890, there is a chances for making that wave in another three-way decline, right? So 1, 2, 3, three-way decline for the Z. So after once it reached, and again we can make 1950 to 1960. So this is the explanation for this wave, for this wave. So you need to understand before learning me, or if you are following me, and what it have said. If the low 1676 is the end of the W, so this is the end of the W. We may see a 3 decline to that and not continuing as a Z. Then we may see a 3-way decline to 1770. So this 3-way decline to the 1770 and then to 1960 here. So this is the bigger W, this is the intermediate wave W, X, ABC. So one ABC, so this is the bigger connecting wave. You try to understand this. This is the bigger ABC is the A. So in this is the connecting wave. So we can change it this as a green for the connecting, and again one more three-way structure. We can make it this as a red. A, B and C. So whether if it's a Z wave connection, so five-way corrective patterns W, X, Y, Z, this is the one more connecting wave. This is a three-way structure. So again we may get a three-way structures to the downside, but it's not compulsory to make a Z wave. Once the three-way structure is got completed, it's a flat correction. Again we may see one ABC is a A. So this ABC is a A in the bullish side, and this connecting wave may be like here, and this ABC to the downside may be ABC to the upper side. So this is a bigger flat correction. So again how it declines? Again one more ABC. So we need to understand the what kind of wave formation is doing and how deep you are going in that wave theory. And here I have explained the previous. This is a W, X, A, B, C, Y, X. Here it's in the running flat, and A, B, C, and it has to decline from here itself, right? From this zone. It's not here. From this zone I expected the downtrend, and there's a bearish channel trend line is there. So we have to get rejected in this zone, and I'm expected this, but not this wave for the aggressive move to the upper side. So that means we are did something here more, because here is the Y is completed, X is completed, A, B, C, Z. So apart from that Z, there is nothing else. So we have to change the labeling according to the price action. So what it is doing, our view is wrong. So I have changed this as a W, X. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the leading diagonal as a A. The same thing, B is in a running flat. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this five-way structure is in the C wave. It's a wedge formation. So I'm expecting a way to the downside, but no need to break this high. If it breaks the high, still there is a lot of chances to making a bullish scenario. So maybe now or tomorrow it can break this. I have placed already stop loss here, and I am having a short position at the 3 positions, and starts from 65, 75 and 83. So I have placed the stop loss yesterday night, because I want to keep without stop loss in the weekend for the gold and crude. So something will happen in Saturday and Sunday. Anything can happen. It's a fundamental news, right? So it can hit the stop loss. No worries about that, because my risk reward is around 1600 if it is in that way. Otherwise, if hit the stop loss, no worries. I will be in sell at 1950 or 1960. So, and exactly it did. 1 second, I will clear this. Once I thought if it breaks this, we can sell, but I placed the order at 83 itself, and it went for 89.40 here. Yes, 89.42 is the high. What is the previous high? It's 90.11. It didn't break yet, so this is still valid, and it came aggressive to the downside at nearly 70 something. Yes, 69. Still not yet I covered my position, because in silver it's clearly showing to the downtrend. And silver also I said if it comes to the 28.5 I will be in sell side. Exactly I did at silver at 28.6 here, and still holding that. And in this, whether it is coming to this, I exited my one of position at 27,400. One of the position I booked the profit, and still holding that another off, because I need to add once this broke this trend line. That is why safe entry is closed below the trend line in daily time frame. So now it's closed Okay, it's not yet closed, right? So still there is no chances to add here, but one thing, sorry, one more trend line is there, and then afterwards only I observed this. This is the one more trend line. Perfectly it bounced from here. So this is trend line is still valid now. So now what we have to do is, it's nothing to do worry, because here is ABC is the A is already done. So ABC is a B, and this is looking like a irregular flat formation for me here, because this is an aggressive move. So for this move, this is an irregular flat move. So this 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the A. So ABC B is an irregular flat formation. So B can go like this. Maybe if it is an expanded flat, it can go above this. Otherwise, if it is a running flat, it cannot go above this, and then again it may decline from here. So I am expecting this wave formation to complete here at nearly 28. I will again add what I had booked the profit at 27,400 in here. So I will add the positions. So once it breaks this, then that is a confirmed again, and it's making a lower low. So this kind of and here is A, B, the same thing, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the leading diagonal A, B, C is a 1. So yesterday class I have explained that. So I just same thing, I have already shared my view at the same time after my class once for my student here. Immediately, yeah, silver, the same with the same 1 2 3 4 5, right? So A is a leading diagonal, B 1 2 3 4 5. So here is the one wave is correction wave is completed. So this is the A in the 5S structure. So this is the B, and again one more 5S structure is needed to break this 23.7. So this kind of wave you need to draw, and you have to practice in this, and watching the wave formation in 15 minutes. If you are very able to catch that, see here, the 1 2 3, so 4 and 5. So A B C, A B C is a B, and C. So anything is valid, right? And as per that, in Elliott wave, 1 2 3 4 means fifth wave, if it is extended, we need 1618. So here is exactly 1. So this could be A, B, C. So this is W and X. So 1 2 3 4 5 like that, it has to come. Otherwise, A B C as a 1, A B C as a 2, in the diagonal formation it can come to the downside. Let's see how it works, right? So gold, I will finish my this one. So once I have placed the stop loss here, so now I am expecting to the downside nearly to the 1770. So once it reached very aggressively, so I will keep on watching that, whether it is making a three-way structure, or if it is a five-way structure, A, so allow that B and then C, or it could be 1 2 and again the 3 will be a bigger correction, because I am expecting, if this is a Y, the X followed by that A B C, so A may be a one more 5-way structure, B and then again C to break, but I am expecting to the 1600 zone, 16 nearly approximately where the channel downtrend trend line will meet here. So that is why I want you stop for this trade. So don't follow me blindly without you have a plan. I can exit anytime if I'm not satisfied after the wave formation. So I'm still holding this stop loss. Let's see how it goes on Monday. So now US oil, I will cover that. So US soil I'm expecting nearly to the 65 zone for sure, and it's here. It looks like in 1 hour same edge formation here. So whether A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be a A. So again we make consolidation. So aggressive bounce. So after the three-way structure, again looking for that one more 5-ways. Here it's a 5-way impulsive, and here also I will explain you. Only enter if it reach here. So if it has to reach, and then you are expecting here this bounce. If you buy it here in this zone, making the stop loss here, what it will do is after the 5-ways we are expecting to as a target of this above the high. You enter here making a stop loss, you will get a risk reward, nice risk reward. But what it will do is it will come hit your stop loss. That same 5-ways will happen here, will make, or it could be an expanded flat. So 1, this will be a 2, and then again it may be a third will continue. So mind this in this zone. So if it is an irregular flat formation, it will hit your stop loss. So that is why only I will enter only if it reached here in this zone, nearly 65 or 64.8 like that. So I think I covered everything, right? US 30, gold, silver, crude. Yeah, I finished everything. So hope you enjoyed my analysis through Elliott Wave, and you can learn, and you are learning something. So you have to watch till the end, from the starting to the till the end, and then only you can learn more Elliott Waves, my style also. So I'm not forcing that, it's up to you. But what I get as a free, I'm giving it as a free, as much as I can, right? So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed my video. So have a nice weekend and have a nice profitable week to everybody. So thanks a lot, and stay safe, stay home. Please use sanitizers. India, it's a very pandemic situations here. It's a very tough to finding the hospitals, beds, oxygen cylinders, everything. So be cautious in this. Don't neglect this, and have a God bless all. So have a nice day, and we will see you in the next week. Thanks a lot.